HTV-X1, F7. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, successfully launched an H324W rocket. The first digit indicates the number of LE9 engines on the core stage, while the second digit indicates the number of SRB-3 solid rocket boosters. The final letter specifies the payload fairing, wide, with the F7 mission from Pad 2 of the Yoshinobu Launch Complex, LAY-2, at the Tanegashima Space Center on Tanegashima. This launch flew HTV-X1 to low Earth orbit, LEO, at an inclination of 51.6 degrees to the equator. The flight took place on Sunday, October 26, at 15 seconds Coordinated Universal Time, UTC, or at 9 hours and 15 seconds Japan Standard Time, JST. This was the first resupply mission of HTV-X cargo spacecraft built by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries to the International Space Station, ISS, and 300th mission to ISS. HTV-X1. HTV-X1 was the first flight of the HTV-X series, serving as a technical demonstration mission of the new uncrewed expendable cargo spacecraft. 16-ton HTV-X1 carried about 5,819 kilograms, 12,829 pounds, of cargo mass, consisting of 4,069 kilograms, 8,971 pounds, in the pressurized compartment and 1,750 kilograms, 3,860 pounds, in the unpressurized compartment. HTV-X1 delivered the following pressurized cargo to the International Space Station, ISS. Crew supplies. Kibo system components. LED light unit for gem reams, Japanese experiment module remote manipulator system. AEP-2, airlock electronics package 2, a replacement of the airlock control unit. DRCS, demonstration of removing carbon dioxide system. NORS, nitrogen-oxygen recharge system, tank. RST, water resupply tank. Science and technology experiments. TUSC, test facility for lab automation system in Kibo. Asian Tri-0G 2025, experiments proposed by students from Asia-Pacific region. CubeSats to be deployed into orbit from the ISS, Coral, XIBA-1, HMU-Sat-2, KNACK-Sat-2, Leopard, UITM-Sat-2. Coral, Sapienza University of Rome, technology demonstration. XIBA-1, Universidad Popular Autónoma del Estado de Puebla, UPIP, volcanoes monitoring. HMU-Sat-2, Hokkaido University of Science, HUS, technology demonstration. KNACK-Sat-2, King Mongkut's University of Technology North Bangkok, Kmutthunp, technology demonstration. Leopard, Kyushu Institute of Technology, Kyotech, KIT, technology demonstration. UITM-Sat-2, University Technology Mara, UITM, technology demonstration. Coral, XIBA-1, KNACK-Sat-2, HMU-Sat-2, Leopard, and UITM-Sat-2 are to be deployed into orbit from the ISS. HTV-X1 delivered the following unpressurized cargo to ISS. ICEP, Irreplaceable Small Exposed Experiment Platform. In addition to its primary cargo, HTV-X1 carries several technology demonstration payloads. Delight, a demonstration of a lightweight expandable flat antenna. SDX, a solar cell technology demonstration. MT Fuji, a technology demonstration for satellite laser ranging. HSSOD, a small satellite deployer that will release the CubeSat Tenko 2 following departure from the ISS. HMU-Sat-2. HMU-Sat-2 is a nanosatellite for education and technical demonstration equipped with light-emitting diodes, LEDs, which can flash Morse codes. HMU-Sat-2 was jointly developed by the Hokkaido University of Science, Kabuokura, and the Komagane Technical High School. The satellite is nicknamed Terutiru, a name evoking Teru Teru Bozu, Japanese handmade dolls hung to wish for sunny weather. HMU-Sat-2 was launched by a H-3 launch vehicle, and was carried to the International Space Station, ISS, on board the HTV-X1 cargo spacecraft. Tenko 2. The Department of Aerospace Engineering, College of Science and Technology, Nihon University, and Space BD announced the small satellite deployment mission of the new space station resupply vehicle HTV-X1 by JAXA. Nihon University began developing small satellites following the appointment of Professor Kiyaki Okuyama in April 2020. The Okuyama Laboratory at Nihon University started developing a satellite, Tenko 2, with the cooperation of Space BD to load on the first HTV-X. Tenko 2 is a successor to the Low Earth Orbit, LEO, environmental observation satellite Tenko, launched by the Okuyama Laboratory in 2018. Tenko 2 is a small satellite measuring about 30 to 20 to 10 centimeters and weighing about 12 kilograms. Tenko 2 will be equipped with the same high-energy charged particle detectors as Tenko, and will observe the spatial distribution of high-energy particles around LEO. Tenko 2 will carry a new microcomputer with high calculation speed, high storage capacity, and low power consumption. Part of the mission is the evaluation of the tolerance of this new microcomputer for the space environment. If the microcomputer were to malfunction, Okuyama would use the data from the detector for analysis. In addition, Tenko 2 will observe the Earth through a high-resolution camera and establish a new space communication technology using the amateur radio band. Moreover, Tenko 2 will work on the Nihon University Cosmic Campus, a mission created in collaboration between the College of Science and Engineering and the College of Art at Nihon University to bring together space and entertainment. The aim of this mission is to have people around the world compose songs and create artwork together, providing an experience as if the world and space are one campus. H-3. The H-3 rocket is a Japanese expendable launch system developed by the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, and Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, MHI. It is designed as the successor to the H-2A and H-2B rockets, with an emphasis on reducing launch costs through the use of the lower-cost LE-9 main engine. The H-3 features a modular design with 2 or 3 first-stage engines and 0, 2, or 4 solid rocket boosters, allowing it to accommodate a variety of payload sizes. Development began in 2013, and the first flight took place in March 2023. The launch ended in failure when the second stage engine did not ignite. The first successful test flight occurred in February 2024. Yoshinobu Launch Complex, LAY. Yoshinobu Launch Complex, abbreviated as LAY, Launch Area Y, is a rocket launch site at the Tanegashima Space Center on Tanegashima. The site and its collection of facilities were originally built for the H-2 launch vehicle and later used for H-2A, H-2B and H-3 launches. It is the most northern launch complex at Tanegashima, and along with the now inactive Osaka Launch Complex used for orbital launches. The Yoshinobu Launch Complex consists of 2 launch pads. The complex also contains a test stand for firing the LE-7 engines used in the first stage of the H-2 and its derivatives. Prior to launch, rockets are processed vertically in the complex's vehicle assembly building. The rocket is rolled out to the launch pad on a mobile launcher platform about 12 hours before it is scheduled to launch. It takes around 30 minutes to transport the rocket from the assembly building to Pad 1. Orbital launches take place from the Yoshinobu Launch Complex, LAY, lifting off from its 2 launch pads. LAY-1 used for H-2 and H-2A launches. LAY-2 used for H-2B and H-3 launches. Sapienza University of Rome. The Sapienza University of Rome, Italian, Sapienza, Università di Roma, formerly the Università degli Studi di Roma La Sapienza, abbreviated simply as Sapienza, Wisdom, is a public research university located in Rome, Italy. It was founded in 1303 and is as such one of the world's oldest universities, and with 122,000 students, it is the largest university in Europe. Due to its size, funding, and numerous laboratories and libraries, Sapienza is a global major education and research center. The university is located mainly in the Città Universitaria, University City, which covers 44 hectares, 110 acres, near the monumental cemetery Campo Verano, with different campuses, libraries, and laboratories in various locations in Rome. Universidad Popular Autónoma del Estado de Puebla, UPIP. The Universidad Popular Autónoma del Estado de Puebla, Autonomous Popular University of the State of Puebla, UPIP, is a private, Catholic, non-profit university located in the Mexican state of Puebla. Founded on May 7, 1973, it is currently a highly reputed university with an important national and international presence which has over 43 undergraduate programs, 34 master's programs, 12 PhD programs, and 11 specializations. Hokkaido University of Science, HUS. Hokkaido University of Science, Hokkaido Kagaku Daigaku, or HUS, is a private university in Sapporo, Hokkaido, Japan, established in 1967. The predecessor of the school was founded in 1924. King Mongkut's University of Technology North Bangkok, Kamutunb. King Mongkut's University of Technology North Bangkok, Kamutunb, Mahawidyalai Teknologi Frajam Klau Phranak Hanyi, colloquially known as Phranak Hanyi, is a public technology university in Thailand. Presently, the university has 3 campuses located in Bangkok, Rayong, and Prachinbarai provinces. It has 13 faculties, 2 colleges, and 2 graduate schools. Degrees offered range from vocational certificate to doctorates. Kyushu Institute of Technology, KIT. The Kyushu Institute of Technology, Kyushu Kogyo Daigaku, is one of the 87 national universities in Japan. Located in Fukuoka Prefecture on the island of Kyushu, it is dedicated to education and research in the fields of science and technology. It is earlier abbreviated to KIT and is now officially abbreviated to Kyotech. The founder was Matsumoto Kenjiro, second son of Yasukawa Kiyokiro, and the links with the Yasukawa Electric Corporation, founded in 1915, remain strong to this day. The centenary of the opening of the Tobata campus is being celebrated in 2009, with Founders' Day on May 28, 2009. Universitai Teknologi Mara, UITM. The Mara Technological University or the Mara University of Technology, Malay, Universitai Teknologi Mara, UITM, is a public university in Malaysia, based primarily in Shah Alam, Selangor. It was established to help rural Malays in 1956 as the RIDA, Rural and Industrial Development Authority, Training Center, Malay, Dewan Latihan RIDA, and opened with around 50 students. It has since grown into the largest institution of higher education in Malaysia as measured by physical infrastructure, faculty and staff, and student enrollment. Since becoming a public university despite its name, UITM is no longer affiliated with Majlis Amanah Rakyat, although it continues to only accept Bumiputera students. Nihon University. Nihon University, Nihon Daigaku, literal translation Japan University, abbreviated as Nichide, is a private research university in Japan. Its predecessor, Nihon Law School, currently the Department of Law, was founded by Yamada Akiyoshi, the Minister of Justice, in 1889. The university's name is derived from the Japanese word Nihon meaning Japan. Nihon University now has 16 colleges and 87 departments, 20 postgraduate schools, 1 junior college which is composed of 5 departments, 1 correspondence division, 32 research institutes and 3 hospitals. The number of students exceeds 70,000 and is the largest in Japan. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA. The Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA, Kokuritsu Kankyokai Heitsu Hojin Uchu Koku Kankyokai Heitsu Kiko, literal translation National Research and Development Agency Aerospace Research and Development Organization, is the Japanese National Air and Space Agency. Through the merger of 3 previously independent organizations, JAXA was formed on October 1, 2003. JAXA is responsible for research, technology development, and launch of satellites into orbit, and is involved in many more advanced missions such as asteroid exploration and possible human exploration of the Moon. Its motto is One JAXA and its corporate slogan is Explore to Realize, formerly Reaching for the Skies, Exploring Space. On October 1, 2003, 3 organizations were merged to form the new JAXA, Japan's Institute of Space and Astronautical Science, ISAS, the National Aerospace Laboratory of Japan, NAL, and National Space Development Agency of Japan, NASDA. JAXA was formed as an independent administrative institution administered by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science, and Technology, MEXT, and the Ministry of Internal Affairs and Communications, MIC. In 2012, new legislation extended JAXA's remit from peaceful purposes only to include some military space development, such as missile early warning systems. Political control of JAXA passed from MEXT to the Prime Minister's Cabinet Office through a new Space Strategy Office.